you come in? Well, I'm about to get your ugly ass, pickle nose ass, pistol grip chin ass, turkey neck ass, double decker body back ass. I'm about to get. Hey man, what's good? It's that boy I'm So Heen from TikTok, man. Y'all might have seen me over there making videos kind of like this. You feel me? I don't really do too much. I just kind of point to the top of the screen and look at the camera on me. And I don't want to toot my own horn, you feel me? I ain't really a horn tooter. Pause. But I am the dread ambassador of TikTok, bro. It's official, on record, you feel me? And fertilized and certificated and all type of stuff over there, you feel me? So yes, even though I cut my dreads and put them in a little box, we'll get to that story later. We ain't gonna talk about it too much right now. Even though I cut half my dreads off, bro, I'm still the official dread ambassador of the app over there on TikTok. But I had my little run. Some might call it a bubble run, Disney run, whatever you want to call it. I had my run over there. Now I'm coming over to YouTube. I'm taking my trophies with me. I'm taking my belt with me. I'm taking over YouTube. Simple. But I got y'all with a real quick video today. You feel me? I got the little intro out the way. Today we gonna be going over the best ways to start your dreads, man. Now, before I even start talking about anything, bro, there is no wrong and there is no right way to do anything. Whatever you want to do is what you got to do on me. But that's besides the point, bro. Let's get to the top 3 ways to start dreads, man. All right, now look, the first way we're gonna go over is the easiest way, the simplest way, the least maintenance, the least time consuming, and that method is the 2-strand twist method. Now, when you say 2-strand twist method, it's multiple ways, but we're gonna go over the second one for number 2. Now, number 1, the regular 2-strand twist method. You get your hair in 2 strands, you feel me? Then you twist them. Simple, it's in the name, 2-strand twist. Don't do nothing else but 2-strand twist. You shouldn't be grabbing 3 or 4 or 5 or 8 or 9. Grab 2, don't braid them, don't curl them, don't roll them. Twist them. You feel me? Simple. Now look, the 2-strand twist method, all you gotta do is once you get them 2-strand twists in, leave them in. Don't do nothing else, you feel me? All you gotta do is leave them in. That's it. Simple. Now look, they might start trying to come out. Don't trip. Grab it and just retwist it a little bit, but make sure your hair not bone dry when you're doing this. When you retwist your hair while it's bone dry, it can lead to breakage. It can lead to your dreads falling out. It can lead to your dreads thinning. It can lead to major problems that you can avoid by not twisting your hair while it's dry. Little quick dread tip. You feel me? I had to step in and give y'all a little quick dread tip. My other name on TikTok is Dread Journey Tips, so you feel me? That's what we do over there on there. But look, you're gonna leave the 2-strand twist in. After that, go to a loctician if you don't know how to retwist your own hair. But if you do know how to retwist your own hair, you in luck. Simple. All you gotta do, wash your hair. Don't be scrubbing all crazy like with your shampoo. Don't be going to town on your head with the shampoo on me. All you gotta do, listen, keep in mind, real tip, wave cap on. Don't do nothing else. Put the wave cap on. Go to the shower. Put the water on top of the wave cap. Put the shampoo on top of the wave cap. Don't take the wave cap off. You feel me? Simple. Boom. Massage the shampoo in through the top of the wave cap, but don't take your dreads out. Like, don't be going in that bit going crazy. Simple. Now look, once you done with that, rinse the shampoo out. Nothing's gonna happen to your dreads as long as you don't take the wave cap off. But don't take it off until you blow dried it. I missed this step, but I'm trying to act cool, so I'm not gonna acknowledge it, but I just acknowledge it, so I just really messed up what I was trying to do. Now look, after you wash your dreads for the first time, right, you could retwist them, right? Or you could choose not to. I would suggest retwisting your dreads. That way they don't come out. You feel me? After the first retwist, keep treating them like regular dreads from now on. So you had 2-strand twists. Don't take out the 2-strand for the retwist. Just retwist it like it's one dread. And keep doing that over and over. Your life will be golden. You don't got to do nothing else. That's why I say it's the simplest, least time consuming, easiest, least maintenance method. The 2-strand twist will really get you right. Now look, number 2. It's very simple. The 2-strand twist out method. Now don't trip. I just told y'all the 2-strand twist method. The same exact thing goes, except one thing gonna be different. Now look, with the 2-strand twist, it's gonna be 2 strands, right? With the 2-strand twist method, you don't take them 2 strands apart. You keep them there on me. With the 2-strand twist out method, you take the twist out, right? So now you have 2 separate strands, but guess what? Don't do nothing else. Those is your dreads now. You accepted it. You created that fake 2-strand twist out. Take the twist out. Now those dreads is their own individual dreads. Simple. Now look, this method is one of the easiest as well because you don't have to create your own sections. Once you take the 2-strand twist out, those sections is your sections for life. Simple. And peep this, you ain't gotta do nothing for the retwist for real. All you gotta do is take the 2-strand twist out, right? Wash your hair, 2-strand twist it with the same exact sections, right? Simple. Ugh. Take them out again in a month. Wash it. Retwist them. Now look, this is me jumping in from the future, except not from the future. This is me just knowing that I'm gonna put this in the video and say that I came from the future, even though I know that I'm lying. I'm coming from the future and saying, once your dreads is locked up and matured, wash your hair every week. Don't be walking around with stank dreads, right? I'm not gonna roast someone for not washing their hair every week. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is if your hair stinks, you need to wash it. And a lot of y'all are athletes, a lot of y'all outside, a lot of y'all live in Florida where it's hot, where the sun outside, your scalp gonna be sweating, giving off rancid odors. You don't want those odors in your dreads. On me. Now back to the present time. The 2-strand twist out method is very simple. Take the 2-strand twist out, retwist it, put the 2-strand back in, take the 2-strand twist out, retwist it, same thing, rinse and repeat, and you good. Your life will be good for the rest of your life. On me. Now the number 3 method, I put up one finger because the number 3 method is the number 1 best. Boom, simple. The last method is the sponge method combined with the 2-strand twist method. It combines 2 methods, and the reason it's its own method is because it's my method, right? This is the method that I started with, you feel me, for my dreads to look the way that I wanted my dreads to look on me. So look, simple, but the sponge method is easy. I had waves, picture inserted right there. Thank you very much. I had the waves. One day I said, bro, I'm getting my dreads back. Keep in mind, before I had the waves, I had the dreads, insert the picture right there. Now look, I cut them off, insert the picture right here. That was kind of trash. Now look, I shaved my head bald. Look, right here, insert right here. Thank you very much. That was all trash. So boom, I had the waves. I got the comb. I said it's over with the waves. Say goodbye. Simple. Comb the waves. Comb them. Now look, when I combed the waves, bro, my hair was this small. Molecularly, intangibly small. But that didn't matter because with the sponge, with the small holes on it, you can sponge your thoughts and imaginations with ease. Now look, I started sponging my thoughts. I had little tiny beater beads on my head. Those beater beads grew to be pea sprouts. Now look, they were very small. And even I knew. I said these dreads is gonna be too skinny for me to retwist, because I do my own retwist. I don't go to no loctician, so I might be a little rough handling my hair sometimes. And if your dreads is real skinny like shoelaces, like I like mine to be, I knew that them dreads was gonna be too small. Boom. 2-strand twisted the little small pea sprouts that the sponge had created. Now I can leave my dreads and I got 2-strand twists and leave them in. They 2-strand twisted, they not going nowhere. They not coming out. Boom. Leave the 2-strand twists in. Let them grow. The dread process is an immaculate, wonderful time. It is a wonderful journey to learn about yourself, to analyze your inner thoughts and mind and body and soul, and it teaches you how to roast, because people will try to cook. But if someone says, boy, I'm about to get your ass with them little ass worms on your head, boy, that's when you come in. Boy, I'm about to get your ugly ass, pickle nose ass, pistol grip chin ass, turkey neck ass, double decker body back ass, I'm about to get you feel me? But when you starting out with the baby dreads, them little worm jokes, them little silkworm jokes, they finna be coming at you. You gotta keep the guard up. You gotta keep the head movement. You can't get hit with them, or else it's gonna penetrate your mind. You will hyper-analyze yourself. You'll look in the mirror with disappointment and regret. You can't be looking in the mirror with disappointment and regret on me. You can't be doing that. Simple. Now look, those was the 3 easiest methods to start dreads. I kept it nice and short and sweet and simple. Now look, if y'all want more from me, I need y'all to tell me, because how else will I know? Tell me, how else would I know if y'all don't tell me? Thank you. This was the top 3 dread methods to start with. If you don't know what you're doing, if you at the crib with no money and no hope, I just gave you one of those 2. But yeah, man, like I said, it's that boy, I'm So Heem, coming over from TikTok, taking over y'all trap on YouTube, man. I'm taking over the app, simple. I'm the dread ambassador of TikTok. I got my rightful crown, my rightful throne, my rightful belt. Now my time has come. YouTube, your time has come. It's over, say goodbye.